Hey guys, today, let's learn how to earn money online with ChatGPT. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn money online using the ChatGPT software, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So basically, we could do a number of things using ChatGPT, and I'm gonna go ahead and launch the website first. Just by launching chat, open AI.com and log into our preferred account. Once it is already done, what we can do to utilize ChatGPT for us to earn money is number 1. You could actually go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write a blog or some website content about a specific topic using ChatGPT. So all we need to do is to type in, like write a blog post about your XX topic. So, from there, we could actually use that content and post it on our own website. Or of course, you could also do a number of things, like writing email services. You could also write headlines and calls to reaction with chat, and you could also write social media content for your own posts that you post, whether on other social media platforms or with. Am I kidding? That's just a small part of what we can do with the ChatGPT, but that's to give you a general idea of what you guys can do. So I hope you guys learned something. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.